Welcome to Evisa. We specialize in e-visas, which are easy and fast to apply for and cost-effective. Welcome to Indonesia, a land of endless beauty and adventure, no matter the season. But did you know that planning the perfect trip also means knowing the best time to visit and when to apply for your visa? Let's dive into how you can make the most of your Indonesian adventure. Indonesia is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit depends on what you want to experience. Here's a quick guide. Dry season, May to September. This is the most popular time to visit, especially for beach lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. The weather is sunny and dry, perfect for exploring Bali, Lombok, and the Komodo Islands. Wet season, October to April. While there's more rain, the wet season brings lush landscapes and fewer crowds. It's a great time for cultural exploration and indoor activities in places like Yogyakarta and Jakarta. Now let's talk about visa planning. To ensure a smooth journey, it's crucial to apply for your visa at the right time. Here's how. For peak season, dry season, if you're traveling during the dry season, apply for your e-visa at least 2 to 3 months in advance. This ensures you avoid the rush and any potential delays. For off-peak season, wet season. If you're traveling during the wet season, 1 to 2 months in advance should be sufficient. However, always check the latest visa processing times on wevisa to avoid any last-minute surprises. Applying for an Indonesian e-visa is simple and convenient with wevisa. Here's a quick overview. Visit wevisa.world. Choose your visa type based on your travel duration. Complete the application form. Fill in your personal details, travel plans, and upload the required documents. Submit and pay. Your e-visa will be sent directly to your email. Remember to print it out or have a digital copy ready for your trip. With a little planning, you can make your Indonesian adventure smooth and unforgettable. Start your visa application early, pack your bags, and get ready to explore the wonders of Indonesia. Happy travels! Visit wevisa today to start your journey. Safe travels, and see you in Indonesia.